wabarakatuh. Halo Rek, sore iki awak dhewe bakal mlaku-mlaku ndek salah siji wisata sing ana ndek Surabaya yaiku wisata Perahu Kalimas Surabaya.
And you don't seem to understand. A shame you seemed an honest man. And all the fears you hold so dear will turn to whisper in your ear. And you know what they say will hurt you, and you know that it means so much, and you don't even feel a thing. I am falling, I am fading, I have.
Oke, Ade saiki lagi ono ing dhuwur Perahu Kalimas.
I've lost it all, and you don't seem the lying kind. A shame that I can read your mind, and all the things that I read there. Candlelit smell that we both share. And you know I don't mean to hurt you, but you know that it means so much, and you don't even feel a thing. I am falling, I am fading, I am drowning, how meant to breathe. I am hurting, I have lost it all, I am losing, how meant to breathe.
Wisata Perahu Kalimas ono ing jerone Taman Prestasi ing dalan Ketapang Kali. Rek, ing sisi wetan wisata Perahu Kalimas iki wonten monumen pesawat bomber B26 Intruder.
Monumen pesawat iki diresmikno karo Wali Kota Surabaya tanggal 19 Juli 2006.
Rek, dadi wisata Kali Kalimas iku wisata tengah wengi sing ngejak para pengunjung nyusuri Kali Kalimas ing tengah-tengah kutha Surabaya.
Ing wisata iki awak dhewe uga bisa nikmati lampion warna-warni sak dawane kali iki.
Pengunjung iso tuku tiket lewat website online tiketwisata.surabaya.go.id sing regane mulai 7.000 per wong. Nah, dek kene ya ono panggon dolanan gawe bocah-bocah.
Ayo.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Nah, rek ing sisi wetan wisata Perahu Kalimas iki wonten monumen pesawat bomber B26 Intruder.
Oke rek, sampai kini wae vlog mlaku-mlakune dhewe. Sun wis nonton. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.